In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best hot air stations available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the hot air stations list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the hot air stations mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Silverflo 8586D 2-in-1 Soldering Station. The Silverflo 8586D combines a hot air gun and soldering iron in one compact unit, making it ideal for SMD rework. With dual digital displays, it ensures precise temperature control for accurate soldering and desoldering tasks. The 10-minute sleep mode feature conserves energy and extends the lifespan of the soldering tips. This station is perfect for repairing PCBs, ICs, and other delicate components, providing reliability and efficiency in any electronics workspace. Number 4, SUGON 8630 Pro 1300W Hot Air Gun BGA Rework Station. The SUGON 8630 Pro is a high-power 1300W rework station with a digital display for accurate temperature control. Equipped with a curved nozzle, it excels in BGA welding and desoldering tasks. Its advanced design enhances airflow for efficient heat distribution, ensuring quick and reliable SMD repairs. Perfect for those seeking a professional-grade soldering solution. Number 3, BGA Rework Solder Station 8586D. The 8586D BGA Rework Station is designed for SMD/SMT welding and repair tasks. Equipped with a hot air gun and soldering iron, it provides stable temperature control for efficient desoldering and soldering. Its compatibility with multiple tool models, such as 8586 and 8786, ensures versatility in handling various components. This station is a reliable option for both hobbyists and professional repair technicians. Number 2, Mechanic 957DW TwoScroll Hot Air Rework Station. The Mechanic 957DW offers dual hot air scrolls for fast and efficient heating. Designed for mainboard tin soldering and desoldering, it's perfect for PCB repairs. Its intuitive interface allows easy temperature adjustments, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced technicians. Ideal for professional-grade soldering applications. Number 1, RF4 New 1000W Fast Desoldering Station. The RF4 New 1000W desoldering station delivers rapid heating with its powerful 1000W hot air gun, making it ideal for BGA rework and PCB chip repairs. Its intelligent design includes a digital display for precise temperature control, ensuring accuracy in desoldering delicate components. This station is built for high performance and speed, providing fast and efficient results for demanding repair tasks.